Hey guys, this is Sam from ScreenFiends.net. Got a nice little surprise in the post today. It was the July edition of Loot Crate. This is the first one that I signed up for. It's the title of the crate is Heroes 2. They did a similar one last year around the same time for Comic-Con. It's their first sequel, as they like to keep promoting online. But yeah, I've been after some more props and stuff for the shelf you'll see behind me in Geek of the Week. Thought this would be a good way to fill that kind of thing out. So, without further ado, let's get into it and see what we've got. The first thing we have a Star Trek air freshener. Now, as you can tell from the giant Star Wars poster always in the back of frame in Geek of the Week, I'm not a massive Star Trek fan. However, I'm sure someone at Screen Fiends will appreciate that. Cool. Good start. Let's have a look. Oh, a nice little badge. A Loot Crate Batman badge. Focusing on that. Oh, it doesn't even want to focus on it. Oh, there we go. There you go. Loot Crate Heroes 2. Nice. Okay, now, if you've watched any of our Screen Fiend stuff, you know that I'm not a big Nintendo fan. But there's a couple of guys in the group that are definitely into Nintendo, so they'll have to fight out for the old Zelda Triforce logo. Let's have a look. See, yeah, that just doesn't really sit well with me. But like I say, I'm sure one of the Nintendo guys at Screen Fiends will love that. Okay. On to the good stuff. Oh, yeah. Got ourselves a little Batman 66 miniature. Let's have a look. Q-Pop figurines. Now, I've seen these Funk vinyls and stuff around. Funko vinyl? And I've always held out buying one because I knew that if I bought one, then it's never going to stop. But this isn't one of those, but it's the same type of thing. Let's have a look. That's cool. I like the box. That is a cool box. Let's see what we've got. Oh, it's cute. It's like a little mini Batman. There we go. It's got a pen with it as well. Why has it got a pen? I don't want to break you, but I want to open you. That's it. Metal rulers make excellent cutting implements. Okay. Boom. Let's get a little look-see at this guy. That is pretty freaking cool. That's nice. I like that a lot. That is a cool little bit of kit. I like that. Now what's this kapow? That's awesome. So it's got the pen. We've got our little kapow logo. Good God. Right. So we go into here with that. That's kapow. But by the looks of it, if I peel this off, I have no nails. Aha. We have a pen. Okay. Ta-da! Awesome! That's cool. I really like that. If I can get it to stick in. That's what she said. Cool. That is a nice bit of kit. I really like that. And the box is awesome as well. I shall stand him on the box. There you go. Look at him. He's so pretty. What else? Okay. Got ourselves a poster. Sweet. Mean little 1940s bombshell Wonder Woman. Excellent. She can do it. I really like this art style. In fact, they've just released the digital comic for this. I think it's a digital first comic featuring Wonder Woman and Batgirl and the likes. That's cool. I really like that. Good job. Bit small, but I suppose they've got to fit into a box somehow. Oh, nice. Because you can never have too much Batman related merchandise. It is the Batman multi-tool. Jesus, this is a heavy piece of kit. Let's have a look. Holy cow, Batman. That is nice. So we have a... Stop focusing on him. Focus on this. There we go. God damn it. Put it off autofocus. Alright, there we go. So, should have done that from the get-go. That is really cool. Proper heavy Batarang. It's pretty freaking sweet. Oh. Okay, and so it's got little screwy things on there. Okay, that's why it's a multi-tool. I'm not going to lie, I am going to practice throwing this. We have also got some reading literature. Because Lord knows I don't have enough comic books and God knows what to read through. So, the League of Regrettable Superheroes. Let's have a look. Look up in the skies. It's a bee, it's a witch, it's a giant eyeball. So this seems to be a nice little book about forgotten superheroes. So all the ones that aren't getting a film made about them. Although, as we mentioned in the latest podcast, with the slate that's coming up, I wouldn't be surprised if some of them do eventually get turned into... That's nice, I like that. I bought the DC 75 year by year chronicle, and I enjoyed reading that a lot, so I will definitely find some time to read that. That's cool. Man, you do get a lot. So we got Brawlhalla? Game code. Okay, game unlock code for Steam. Cool. I've never been much into brawlers, but sweet. And then what is this? It is a book from Loot Crate. Okay. Smoosh. Poor Batman. So I've never had a Loot Crate before, and so let's just go over the things that I've got in this one. I'm pretty happy actually. So we've got digital download code. Not too fussed about that. This book is really nice. I really like that. It's nice and small as well. Like some of the books I've got are so big, you can't really put them on your shelf. But that's nice and small, and that'll find a nice place on my shelf. We have the Star Trek air freshener. Really not fussed about that. But then I'm not a Trekkie, so cool. Cool little sweatband, to be honest. I do like wearing sweatband. I do sweat a lot, so yeah. See if one of the Nintendo fiends wants that. Little badge, put that on my guitar strap, I suppose. This is awesome. I really like this. This is freaking cool. I need focusing on this again. I think this is the best bit of the whole crate. It's probably my favourite bit. It's the most. That's awesome. So good. Although having said that, my little Batman here. He's so cute. I really like that. Although it looks like he's got a dagger rather than, I assume it's a batarang. But that's pretty sweet. Geek of the week. Okay. And a poster. The poster is really sweet as well. That's cool. I like that. Well, that was the Heroes 2 Loot Crate. I really like that. Like I say, I didn't know what to expect from Loot Crate. I've heard things about it and kind of had an inkling of what to expect, but no, that's pretty cool. I like that. Sweet. Well, we'll see what next month brings. Jesus Christ, if it was weekly, I'd be skint. But yeah, we'll see what next month brings. So yeah, for more geeky stuff, I suppose, check out Geek of the Week, as advertised here by my mini Batman, and the Screen Fiends podcast over on SoundCloud and on iTunes. Right, cheers guys, I'll speak to you next time. Bye.